Welcome back to another video. I'm really excited about today's video. It's something I waited so long, but finally I can make now a video about it. And it's not about MacBooks or iPod, it's about something really special. And this is a Macintosh Plus. This boy here, this will be the star of the show today, and it's a 1985 computer from Apple. So let's put this here, and then I got also a hard drive, which is this one here. This was the first, or one of the first hard drives that they sold separately to the Macintosh, because the Macintosh didn't have a built-in internal storage. This everything was things to do over floppy disk, and I got also some floppy disk. A lot I got here a lot of okay, not so much, but still interesting ones, even with the games. And what is here? Airborne, and what we have here, something strange. And here I have player 2, whatever it is, a player 2, probably games. Yes, it looks like this. Okay, interesting. I put this over here. Then, of course, I had another Macintosh Plus, but I was not able to make it working, and it came without a mouse and without a keyboard. Fortunately, this here I could buy it with a mouse. Here we have a mouse, I'll show you. And this mouse here is a special mouse because it has this special connector and this Apple unique connector, so good luck finding something that works for this that is not from Apple. So this one. Then here I got also a cable for the keyboard. It's like the old phone cable. And the keyboard. And the keyboard is here. Ta-da. And it's a keyboard with number keypad. This is the first generation of keyboard from Apple that has this. Previous they was separate, so they had only the keyboard and this separately, which was not a really nice deal. It's better to have all included. So keyboard here. Then of course I got also all the cables I need to make this working, and they are in here. So what we have here. So of course, most important, a power cable and another power cable, because the external hard drive needs to be also powered, and this ultra size connector, which is quite big, and this is for data, only for data. So I would say I first want to have a look in this one, and then I turn it on, because I don't want to turn it on and don't know what's in there. Maybe it's everything bad, leaking capacitors, and that will be not good if I started with this. So let's have a look inside. So, and to open this Macintosh, you can't use a normal screwdriver, it would be too easy. So Apple wants to make us boring, and so I had to invent this. This is a screwdriver which I made from 2 screwdrivers. This is part 1 from screwdriver, this is the part 2 from the screwdriver. And then we put them together. So, and this Macintosh has 4 screws. It's not 2, it has 5. Because one is hidden here. So, and you may even can see this Macintosh in really good shape. Because the other one I have all a bit yellow, this is still in nice color. So this screw here Then this one. Here. And two here. I can't see them. Good. This is done, and now the most interesting part is to put this slowly out, and I don't want to rush it. To make it slow, it's better. Yes. So another funny thing is inside here you can see the print of all the people that worked on this Macintosh project. And this one here is the one from Steve Jobs. No, here is Steve Jobs. And they have a lot of other ones, and it's really cool that they did this. Today it's such unpersonal. This was very personal. So let's have a closer look to this. So how it looks. Here it seems everything good. I don't see anything that is leaking. Also down here everything looks good. I would say this one, this is important, is the security, and they looks also good. So I think we can start this. Also here the main board, I don't see anything leaking here. And so yeah, I would say I put this together and then we start this beautiful machine. So let's make it easier. I don't want to go in, I want that you go in. Okay, wait, this was the screw from here. Yeah, you see here once was a battery inside. It is a bit corroded, but yeah, it's like this, it's history, and people mostly forget to take off batteries in electronic devices, and with time the battery can leak, and this is definitely not a good thing. So remember, take always out the batteries of your devices if you don't use them for a longer period. If you don't want that this device gets bad, of course. So here there are some two other last remaining screws. Good. And yeah, you can see there's a lot of accessory, and interesting they got a bit yellow, but the computer itself not. And this is cool. So now let's go over here. I didn't clean this stuff anyway. They still need to clean it, but I don't do it now. So this is the power cable for the just use it now for the hard drive. It's with a 40 megabyte hard drive, custom made for Apple. So one cable, huh? Then the keyboard, we put it over here. Then here we have this monstrous connector, and we put it, I'll show you. This we put it over here in the first one. Is this correct? No, of course not. And here and then this and this. Then this is the keyboard cable. Keyboard has here a telephone cable connector. We put this in. Mouse is here, that's good. And then we put this over here. Yeah, and now the Macintosh. This is to set over here. We connect these two. In the back, you maybe can have a look. So here we connect it. Then the mouse is over here. You see the little icon. And the keyboard comes in front of the device. I forgot to connect the connector for the hard drive. Okay, so here everything is connected. We don't want that it lose the connection. Okay, then here we have this one, and this is connected over here. Okay, and the mouse is connected. I would say I can connect now this all the power, and I built here a power in. It's a self-made construction over here. So this comes like this, and this comes like this. So now you can hope that nothing explodes in here. And I would say let's tune it on. So we're tuning first on the hard drive and then the computer. It takes a while because the Macintosh first needs to understand that he needs to boot on the hard drive. We have a welcome screen and it's starting up. And here it is. We have Finder version 6.1.7, and the system is 6.0.7. And yeah, I would say I will clean it and I will take it in my collection. So I thank you very much for watching this video. I will enjoy this time with this Macintosh. I will play it a bit with him, and see you in the next video. Thank you and stay safe.